a bit odd, aren't they?
The new Corolla Cross GR Sport, filled with thrills.
It's match day number 3 with Betway Premiership. 7 points for Mamelodi Sundowns. They moved to third on the log of the Betway Premiership. And then with Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, who are occupying number 2 and number 1 respectively. Sundowns was better like Marumo Gallants now with 2-0 at Loftus Stadium. First game of the season, Mamelodi Sundowns at home at Loftus Stadium. Betway Premiership because Akumula better like at home against the Polokwane City with MTN 8. They've played away against ETS Galaxy and also against Kaizer Chiefs in that big game over the weekend. But namhlanje bebuyile ekhaya beyodlala against iMarumo Gallants. Benibule lo mdlalo nobobusini. Mhlobami right?
Nganami right. Ngibona wena mwana mushayiyelo yakufanele yes.
This is not yellow. This is gold and,
It's
and
gold,
green.
but mehluka ukho.
Mhlobami, this is gold and
But
green.
mehluka awukho mningi.
Mhlobami, this is green and gold.
Mr. Shane and Shane.
Mhlobami, this is green and gold. Bafana bafana.
Mr.
Ufuna ungisa ngapha ngenkani. This is green and gold mhlobami.
Kuphi? But lezi zinto cishe sifana mse. Kanti hayi ngomari yakufanele
This is green and
Okay,
gold,
aseke
mhlobami.
konke. Le color yakufanele mngona.
This one.
Asiyeke nje kwama
Ikhala yasekhaya le mfowethu.
le color yakufanele.
Yasekhaya le color.
Yeah, yakufanele.
Bobusini,
Ngana
how are you feeling?
Ngalami right nethi ngithanda ukuthi uma ngabe ubiza iSundowns sometimes njengoba ubiza ama South African champions Orlando Pirates we Betway
Yeah.
ngicela usho ukuthi former Betway 8 times in a row which is Mamelodi Sundowns ufake nje lo former champions at least nje unginikeze lento
Zayifaka at the end of the show. Zayifaka mhlobami.
mana masibonke ithi ngibulisa amadoda le studio
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bobusini,
Yeah.
first game at home at Loftus. Niyenzeni la beach is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Ingasehlali nje ya.
Nama light bawalungisile Shane.
Walungisela ama lights.
Yeah, yonke into man izampeka ngathi ubukela mhlawumbe iEPL ngathi kune game yeEPL. Awubona ukuthi namhlanje kubonakala ku light mngana.
Oh,
Angisho lenkanyezi yesibili. That's why
is in the light.
Yeah, is in the light ukuthi at least kumele kube clear.
beautiful.
Yeah, angisho sine record lokungaluze I think more than 30 games
At home.
so at home so njengoba wena ushaya sold out esigodini mina kumele ukuthi nami ngishayela mi record lapha
Longashayo ekhaya.
ngishaya ekhaya.
Let's dive into the game. How was the game? We won njalo mdlalo namhlanje.
Yeah, Shane, let me say well done to Mamelodi Sundowns, Coach Caruso. Yeah, I think siyabanikeza credit the way i-game plan yakhe ibengakhona uma ungabheka especially the attack of Mamelodi Sundowns the way bengakhona today kusho something but kwangathi lama game right uma ngabe ecala kudlala ezaseSoweto kuba khona nalento baphushayo ukuthi banga relax abadlali beSundowns if leza zaseSoweto ziyawina ngibona the way badlala ngakhona igame elandelayo khona lokho kubaphushayo so Shane uma ungabheka iMarumo Gallants I think ucoach Phuthi lineup yakhe today uyabona ukuthi ulethe ama midfield amaningi kakhulu iattack yakhe most of the time ungabheka uma idlala iMarumo Gallants inokudlala nge-false 9 vele uDlondlo or sometimes balethe umpambaniso uma ngabe babone ukuthi isima sambi kahle but today uma ungabheka uMabuza no Otladisa abadlali ngicama ukuthi yes uMabuza can give you something uma ngabe ya defender but uTladisa akekho good uma ngabe sifuna ukudefenda ukuthi angabuya azomakha but today coach ngicabanga ukuthi umcela into anganayo uTladisa because ubonakale angasimo ku attack and I think it's a player engimazi nge-creativity good ngokwazi ukuthatha amajita ngibonile nje kunala khona bekenza ama-box entries bekangatatazeli uTladisa I think is a player kulela side ebelifunctiona because Super Sading yila khona uma ngabe ya-attack uma aba out of position kumele basebenzise lesa space uTladisa because ulapha kulela side unomdlalo ofana noNcube ku right back and is good uNcube especially ngama 1v1 is good so uma ngathi uyayibheka ne lineup yakhe mina ngeke ngazibuza ukuthi ngibona unoSikhakhane noRkhotso ku center back ubeka uSikhosi uSikhosana ngaphandle I think uSikhosana kulama big games cisha adlala njengabadlali abafana naboncanana uma ungambheka usikhosana kulama big games adlala kuma Romo Gallants uyazinikela kuleya center back most of the time it's either maybe uma ngabe boletha yena usikhosi adlale noNorkhotho ngicabanga ukuthi bongakwazi ukudila naleya defense so that abo Edgar bakwazi ukuthi banga drop too much because you know ukuthi unabadlali abagood even aerially because uma ungabheka njengaba bosikhosi njengoba ngitshela abantu boRkhotho bagood even aerially so ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe khona lokubeka kubonile ngaleya defense yakhe but ungabheka noma Diba ku left bekunganani kusekwenzakalayo most of the time wazi ukuthi ukunikeza something but uma unabo lithuli nabo abo Edgar Manaka in the middle of the park kube difficult for bona because bebashiya ama space that is why sometimes break a simple bebashiya ama space
ngoqhawula you spoke about an interesting player uYanga Madiba he came in ku Orlando Pirates during that time ka Jose Rivero but was loaned out last season this season is back now is playing for iMarumo Gallants umbona njani uYanga Madiba in the future yakhe at iMarumo Gallants especially at left back because he was regarded as one of the brightest prospect kudlala lapha ku left back but umbona njani
No, it's good uboy wena Shane ngifuna ukutshela ugood but the problem manje uyothola ukuthi if I team efana neSundowns bane attack more la khona udinga umabuza ukuthi abuya zomassista so uma bangabe ba overload lela side njengamanje beba overload lela side la kaNcube iMamelodi Sundowns so yila khona uma ungabheka beba shiftela khona too much labo badlali then udinga yena ukuthi uma ngabe mhlambe ungadingi more ku defense attackele kulesa space uma ngabe mhlambe ba overload lela side obvious ukhumbula ukuthi I right back yakho which is ikhuluso before athola le injury uma akhuphuka kuzoba the space but because of ufuna ukudlala defensive you are playing against a team efana neSundowns it's not easy just to attack but I think kunama game amaningi la uzombona khona ukuthi uMadiba is good especially uma uyomthola kulama team angana attack engathi mhlawumbe ingabanikeza iproblem but the way badlala ngakhona Shane njengoba ngikutshela ngithi ngibona banikeze Sundowns space too much ifluidity ye Sundowns today the way bengakhona bekukutshela ukuthi kunama spaces abashiyayo la khona uzobona a player ongidlalela kamnandi this nowadays uBathusi Obas akwazi ukulanda athene attack space no alende kusho kona ukuthi they were bullying their midfield because bebanikeza ama space and uma ungabheka baba breaker lula but bammo ku midfield because kunabo lithuli abo Edgar Manaka so ku easy nabo nama winger abo which is abo uTladisa nabo Mabuza kulula ukuthi baba break so bekumele bayenze lento le but babe packed in the middle of the park so that iSundowns ingatholi space sokudlala Sundowns beyithola nama pockets but nibaningi ku midfield kukutshela ndo kushona ukuthi nibaningi ku midfield but istructure senu ku midfield asikho right because if it's right le structure Shane ngitshela ukuthi Sundowns kumele kube difficult ukuthi ba break ama window but bekulula for iSundowns to break ama window because of le midfield ayikho organized Shane
uMarcelo Allende I don't know if my memory serves me well. Ikona game ekufuna ku Man of the Match was the game against Polokwane City, right?
Yeah, kune game atholi Man of the Match. Yes.
Yenye game lena getting Man of the Match. Ubonakala ngathi season uqala on a very high note this season. And there was a press conference where Big City this is his final year at Sundowns. Not to say uyahamba but this is what kunyaka ukugqibela ke contract yakhe. Not to say is a final year at Sundowns because I know absingayibamba ngendlela ezingafaniyo. What do you make of Marcelo Allende so far this season?
Shane, Marcelo Allende always ukunikeza 10 out of 10. And into angichaze ngayo especially kule season esibuya kiyo. Bekuyi number 8 ekwazi ukujoin eboxing. Bekuyi number 8 ekwazi ukukora, ekwazi ukuassista. And uma ungabheka sometimes unokuzibuza kwamanye ama man of the match ukuthi how akayideserve ngaliphi because ngimbona adlala kahle but uyazi ukuthi ama man of the match kunendlela mhlambe nabababona ngayo but Marcelo Allende always the way adlala ngakhona the way controller le midfield eMamelodi Sundowns the way circulate ibhola ngakhona uyal receiver ngaphi ya rotate I think ukuthi ngomunye umdlali Shane always uma akhona kule midfield eSundowns ukunikeza something so I think he is doing well for the team and wenze kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns kulama season afike kuwo uMarcelo Allende so Shane before ngibaleka nje not the way badlala ngakhona bano Obas ngicabanga ukuthi uObas uimprove kakhulu Shane uObas manje uyakwazi nokuthi akwazi ukudlala ama forward pass most of the time and uyakwazi nokuthi uma ngabe athola ispace akwazi ukuthi attack ispace athathe shot on target so ngicabanga ukuthi played very well uObas today Shane kule midfield ano Marcelo Allende and also uma ungabheka uCarlos the way enza ngakhona igame yakhe Shane I think iSundowns after scoring ngicabanga ukuthi nalela goal abalikorile la ka Khoza hila iSundowns ngicabanga ukuthi iba good uma bafuna ukudlala i-set piece bafuna uku-attacka because le goal leli cishe liyafana negoli ebuya bakulikora ku-Chiefs ukuthi uma ngabe selidlala mhlawumbe ku-far poles then uyaletha lela bhola libuya la eboxini lizothola omunye umdlali la ngicabanga ukuthi namhlanje lithola uMalibongwe Khoza kuleya position then wakwazi ukuthi a-convert leya chance ayitholile but the problem nge-Sundowns naye uMalibongwe Khoza kune-mistake ayenzile Shane ngitshelile na last ngithi amagoli amaningi bawenza le mistake wenze enye mistake uthatha ibhola ulifaka phakathi bal interceptor unfortunately first touch emdlali weMarumo Gallants imshayile njengoba ucoach Phuthu umbonile alethe more attack after abone ukuthi uconceded yila ngibone khona ukuthi sekuvuleka more spaces but uma ungathi uyayibheka naye iMamelodi Sundowns kunama mistake ku defense chain iMamelodi Sundowns ayikho good ukudefender ama set piece ngibonile la bhola uRonza first half ahenza leya save what is save Shane la lentwana khona belihedele khona lela bhola because of I don't know ukuthi bahluleka ukuzipositiona or kanjani because if uzoyeka ulast man akwazi ukuthi atholele la bhola but unama defender eboxini ngebuningi ngicabanga ukuthi nako lokho it's poor defense uma ungathola ama strikers angathi mhlawumbe a quick Shane and a good uku-attacka lawo mabhola iMamelodi Sundowns ingasithola isenkingeni but angeke ngivale Shane ngakhulumanga ngosikhwishi Shane Themba Zwane the way angene wa controller itempo yale game game management ukufika kwa Themba Zwane kwenza iMamelodi Sundowns idlale le bhola manje ifuna ukudlala yila sey defender khona ngebhola isa defend kuphela because of inama defenders Mshishi was controlling their game leya midfield eMamelodi Sundowns anoskhwishi what a player kuSkhwishi Shane maningi ma team asazolimala kuSkhwishi decision making Shane uma wazi ukuya wide la khona bekudlala uBennett phela uBennett bekadlala wide but abuya as a half 10 that is why bobona ba overload le side la left la khona kunoMayilula what a player Shane uMayilula the way uMayilula ngimthanda ngakhona ukuthi adlalele next to the box because uma ngaba face ipalu la score khona angifuni ukutshela manga Shane ama decision wakhe always aba good uMayilula so uma ungabheka uSkhwishi uassist kakhulu leya secondary assist la khona inikeza uBrian Leon naye ngicabanga ukuthi uyenze right because as a striker not always you must score sometimes create for ama teammates wakho so ngibonile ukuthi akazange afuna ukuthena uBrian after libiya noNdlovu ayenza lawo ma touches ulo kuno Brian Leon ngicabanga ukuthi Shane into esiyidingayo ku winga leMamelodi Sundowns because kunama winga la Sundowns beyinawo angikhumbuli ukuthi sithola iwing elifana naleli that is why Sundowns uma isayina uSaleng beyibhekele la side ukuthi kumele sifunction na ka right manje baningi abadlali abastrugglishayo kulela side but ngiyakutshela uSkhwishi njengoba ngibona aqala ngakhona la azocala khona uNdlovu athola game time Shane ngicabanga ukuthi baningi vele abazodla ama eyes because the boy I think is doing well Shane uma ungabheka especially ku attack uyahamba uyodrop udlala one touch uyabuya uranela kuma space and uma ibhola linayo Shane ngichaza ngilento ayenzayo because uyakwazi ukubona ama teammates wakhe akafuni ukuthi agcine enyaweni isikhathi eside so give credit Shane kulabantu abascout abadlala bafana nabo Mayilula and also nabo Skhwishi ukuthi babe khona kuleya team I think good signing for Sundowns kulabadlali abawu 2 Shane
Bobzin thank you so much that's Bobo Nisi besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns eLoftus Stadium against iMarumo Gallants lapho ke Sundowns uthi yazithathela khona ke u3 points bethe iMarumo Gallants ngo 2-0 eLoftus Stadium from myself and Bobo thank you so much for watching iDiski TV
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.